I just got a free ISO2 course. Cert is free when I'm done. Have you heard of this course? Yes, this is great. Like, thank you so much for asking that question. I've been telling everybody about this new certification that's coming out. Like, what's happening right now, if you guys didn't know, is that the government's hurting for cybersecurity positions. There's something like 700,000 careers that are empty slots, like in desperate need of people to get in here. So what's happened is there's been this huge push from nonprofit organizations, corporations, and government entities to actually get people into this field as entry level. And so ISC2 Squared has this new certification that's an entry level cybersecurity certification. And right now it's free. It will not be free forever because ISC2 Squared, I don't know if you knew this, but they don't mess around. These guys have the top cybersecurity certification in the world, arguably in the world. It's called CISSP. I have this certification. This certification changed my life. It's a high level cybersecurity certification that talks about nothing and everything. But it is so good at marketing me. Like, all I got to do is put that on my resume. I could probably just have a blank page with just CISSP on there and I'd probably get hired. And the reason why this certification is so powerful is because they've done a great job of marketing it. That being said, I'm saying this to tell you that they're now giving this damn thing, this right here, for free. This is an entry level for you to get into cybersecurity. This right here, I'm showing you. It's called Certified in Cybersecurity CC. Now from here, this is an entry level, but you can take this and build up to a higher level certification. That's why this is so powerful. This is not some fly-by-night organization. This is one of the top, if not the top and best cybersecurity certification organizations in the world, on planet Earth, currently right now. So this is a great path. If you are actually looking into this, this is a great path for you to do. Doing it for free. They're giving it away for free. This will not be free for long, I guarantee you, because they're trying to compete directly with CompTIA Security Plus. That's what they're trying to do. And eventually, this right here, this certification, mark my words, this certification right here, this Certified in Cybersecurity, will be on this sheet right here. This is 8140, also known as 8570, approved baseline for certifications. They will have CC on this. I bet you it'll be like right here. They'll put it right here alongside A+ certification, alongside CND, and all these other ones. And once this goes on here, it'll be way more marketable than it is right now. It's brand new. People don't really know about it. People are kind of figuring it out. Like, they're kind of trying to compete with this and the Google Support IT and the Security Plus and those kind of certifications that are entry level, because the government is making this huge push to get more and more people in this field. This is a really, really exciting time to get into cybersecurity. This is a rare opportunity where they're trying to open the doors. This is not a field where you can just come in off the street and know nothing. You have to do some work. Like, even if you come in and know nothing, you have to do work to understand the basics of information technology. That's what I'm saying. This is a great opportunity.